Good morning, everyone. Amy Conley here with United Way of Door County. It is Monday, December 15th. Yeah, 10 days till Christmas. Today is the second day of Hanukkah. Lots of stuff going on. Busy time of year. That leads me to my 2 points for today. But first, weather. Thank you to everybody who worked outside this weekend. Many of you don't have a choice. So thank you for doing what you do to make sure that the rest of us have what we need. We are so grateful. 211 and 988. Those are the two numbers I kind of want to talk about today. So 211, United Way Helps Fund 211, and we provide that service to our community. We are part of 211 Wisconsin, meaning all calls are answered here in Wisconsin. If you need anything, if you are struggling to pay a bill, you don't know how to access something, there's service that you need but you don't know who to call, please just pick up the phone and dial 211. Someone in Wisconsin will answer that call. They're going to ask you a few questions, your zip code, and probably your age, and then you can talk to them about whatever your situation is, and they will give you a list of resources, organizations, and phone numbers that you can call to access services. So that's always our first stop. If you call us, we're going to say, did you call 211? So please know that service is available. It is confidential. All I get back is the number of callers and what the needs were. So we're going to find out what the greatest needs are in our community by people calling 211. If you've exhausted your list of resources that they provide you, then can give us a call. And then we will connect you to someone here who can hopefully help you out. But as always, resources are limited. But please know 211 is a service that we are happy to provide for our community and that we really want to make sure people are utilizing. The other number is 988. This one we do not fund. This is the National Suicide Prevention Line. 988 is there for anybody who is feeling depressed, contemplating suicide, you're with somebody who's contemplating suicide, and you need some advice, you need some ideas, a voice of hope, a voice of strength. That is what 988 is there for. We know the holidays are tough. They are tough on everybody. So please use those resources. Reach out to those resources when you can. Pay to play. We've had a few questions. Are you doing pay to play this year? Yes. This Friday, December 19th, we are taking over WBDK, new station, 96.7. So if you tune in from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Friday, December 19th, it is United Way all day. All you are going to hear is United Way, unless you pay to play. So $25 to request a song that's typically played on 96.7. So that would be your 80s through like 2002, 2004. If you want to hear a country song, if you want to hear something from the 20s to the 80s, they're going to have to pay more. If you want to hear from 2000 to 2004 to today, you're going to have to pay more. If it's something so obscure that it takes them quite a while to find it, you're going to have to pay more. So $25 per request. Otherwise, that pay more, $50. All funds go to United Way of Door County and our annual campaign. As of yesterday, we were at 45% of our campaign need of $1.2 million, which is good. It's exactly where we should be for this time of year. Thank you to everyone who has donated so far. Your gifts really encourage us. They keep us going. For those of you who have not donated yet, It is now year end. It's that time of year when we do that. Our campaign runs through January 7th. However, an email to me, Amy, AMY, at unitedwaydc.com as a pledge to let us know that your gift is coming between now and the 7th is great. Otherwise, a board member, a volunteer, myself, we will start emailing and start calling. And we are happy to reach out. Please know we are happy to reach out. But if you know you're going to make that gift, please do. Please do let us know. We appreciate that so much. This community is amazing. In the past 2 weeks, we've watched this community come together for a fire chief who's been going through a personal battle for the last several weeks. We've watched this community come together for 2 students who are struggling with their health and for their families. We've come together around food. November, you guys rallied. You did great. I'm asking you to come together around United Way. So food is very tangible. I understand that. United Way is a little not so tangible. I understand that. But please know, the phone calls keep coming in. The requests are great. The grant committee is doing their work. The needs are really big this year. That's why we have a campaign need of $1.2 million. So if you're considering donating, want more information, not sure how it all works, please check out our website, unitedwaydc.com, or give me a call, 920-746-9645, or of course that email, amy@unitedwaydc.com. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a fabulous week, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.